In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add details in Google Sheets when fresh proposal is rejected. So let's say you want every time a proposal in fresh proposal is rejected, its details like client details and the proposal details should be added in Google Sheets automatically. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add details in a Google Sheet when a proposal is rejected in fresh proposals, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. So we will simply write Fresh Proposals to Google Sheets. Now it will show you two windows here, Trigger and Action. A trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So entire automation process would work on these two steps, Trigger and Action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a sales is made, an action can be send a confirmation message to the user or owner. In our case, a trigger can be when a proposal in fresh proposals is rejected by a client. An action can be add the rejected proposals details in a Google Sheet. So let us begin and select fresh proposals as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we will here select proposal rejected. It triggers when a proposal is rejected. Now let us connect, add new connection, and now it needs API key. So now if you will read the help text, you would know we will first have to log into our fresh proposals account. We are already logged in, and now from there we will have to go to integrations. So I'll take you to my fresh proposals. This was the proposal that I sent to my client. Let's take a quick look here. I'll show you the proposal here. So this was the proposal that I had sent to my client, the cleaning service code priced at $494. Okay, now coming back to integration. On the left hand side, you will find integrations. Just click there. Now go to Pabbly. Click on Pabbly and here it will generate the key, Pabbly key here. So let us copy this key, come back to Pabbly and paste it here. Now let us just save it. And you will see it's connected. So now let us just click on Save and Send Test Request. And you will see it is waiting for response. So now we will have to do a test submission. That is, our client will have to reject the proposal. And then we will see if it is able to capture the response here. Okay. So I'll take you to my client. This was the proposal that I had sent to my client. This is my client here. You can see. So let's view proposal. So when the client, you can see this is the proposal here, cleaning service code. So when the client viewed this project, this proposal over here, viewed the price here, and they did not like it, so they decided to reject. Okay, so it wants, do you really want to reject the proposal? Yes, give the reason. Maybe the client is not interested, so client wrote this. Okay, so now you will see in Pabbly here, Pabbly captured the response. You can see the details here. That was the proposal name, that was cleaning service code. The status is rejected, the date is here. And if you'll further scroll down, you'll see the client contact name, email address here. That was Neeraj Shri. And then the price of the proposal is here. Proposal number has been given. Then the currency is here. So this means we have successfully integrated our fresh proposals with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. So here we will select Google Sheets. For the action event, we will select add new row because we want every time a proposal is rejected in fresh proposals, its details should be added in Google Sheets. Let us connect, add new connection, and I will select my account here. And since I was already logged into my account here, Gmail account, I will not have to give any credentials. I will just give permission and authorization successful. So Google Sheets are now connected with Pabbly here. So now it will show you the spreadsheets that I have made in my Google Sheets account. So I'm going to work with fresh proposal clients. So I want every time a proposal is rejected in fresh proposals, its details should be added in this sheet, fresh proposals client, the proposal name, proposal number, client first name, last name, and proposal price. These are the details I want. So therefore, I have created these as the fields in my spreadsheet over here. So after selecting my spreadsheet here, we'll scroll down and you will see these fields here like we created here, proposal name, number, and you can see here the same fields. So now we will map it. We'll go to fresh proposals and you will find the proposal name right on top. But before we map in these details, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting this data from. So for that, I will take you to step 1 where we integrated fresh proposals with Pabbly, did a test submission like a dummy rejection was made by a dummy client, and Pabbly captured the details of the rejected proposal here. So Pabbly has brought exactly same details over here in Google Sheets, and that's how we are going to map it. So we'll map the proposal name. Then in a similar way, we will map the proposal number. If you will scroll down, or for quick results, you can simply search using number and you will find the proposal number. So now we need client first name. In a similar fashion, we will take from fresh proposals. Let us search using name for quick results and you will find the first name Neeraj. Again, for the last name, we are going to repeat the process. Search using name and you will find the last name here. Let's map it. Now it needs proposal price. So let us see if we can find the price here. And yes, price is here. That is $494. You can also map the currency here. This USD, that is United States dollar. But since I have already mentioned my currency here in your proposal price, like you can see in my Google Sheet, proposal price will be in USD, that is dollars. So therefore, I will not map the currency here. Now we have given almost all the details that were needed. And before I click on save and send test request, I would like to tell you one quick thing about mapping. So the fields that we have mapped in, you can see proposal name, proposal number. These mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is the next time a new proposal is rejected in fresh proposals. So here in Google Sheets, these fields, these mapped in fields like proposal name, proposal number, and other details like client name and proposal price, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to do it manually. So now let us quickly save and send test request. So now you will see Pabbly has captured the response. Here is the table range, the updated range is here. And now let us quickly go to our Google Sheets and see if these details were added as a row there. So this is my Google Sheets, fresh proposal clients, and you can see all the rejected details here. The details of the rejected proposal are added here. You can see the proposal name, cleaning services code, the proposal number, client first name, client last name, and proposal price. I just wanted these details and therefore I have created only these fields. In case you want more details from the response, like you can take, for example, you can take the email address of the client as well. You can even take the date, submitted date. Since I just wanted these details and therefore I have only taken 5. Okay. So this means we have successfully integrated Google Sheets and fresh proposals using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.